Hello, and thank you for all the new subscriber. I know a lot of you have been asking about the Tacoma. There is a lot of upgrade I've done on the Tacoma, and I will be showing you the actual procedure how I did the 10 pop-up. But right now I'm in a little bit of trouble with this Toyota. I'm sorry, this BMW. That's why I've been prolonging the video on the Tacoma. So a lot of us that owns this particular BMW has some serious issue with the timing chain. You know, over time, the actual belt itself, the actual plastic itself deteriorate and just break apart, and it's very brittle. But that's not the main issue. The problem is when you do the timing chain, you run into this particular problem. This particular pin right here, which require this tool to lock the flywheel in places, become very, very fragile over time. So if you take a pick on it, touch it, it just breaks off in pieces. So there is video out there on how to do it, but it's very, very difficult. You need to remove the intake manifold, I believe the turbo, not the intake, the exhaust manifold, the turbo, and there's some other brackets, which I've done, but it's still very, very difficult to get to this. But I managed to find an easier way to do it, and I'm hoping this video will help out a lot of people. So if you look underneath the car, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Follow me. So, I did follow some of the procedure. I removed this piece right here, very difficult, extremely difficult to even get it out. It's pinned in with the transmission. I tried to remove this block right here, all the bolts removed, it's locked in really tight. That's why the person had to remove the exhaust manifold in order to take this bracket out. And this could take upward to an hour to 2 hours to even to do all that up there. I figured a way to do it very easy, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So the way BMW placed this particular pin is very asinine, and it's wedged in between the exhaust manifold. The actual, I believe the converter here, and you can barely get an inches of your finger in there. It's right here. Stupid, they could have put it here, but no, they instead put it right up there, wedged in between this converter. So the only easiest way to do it is here. I stuck the tool in there already. So the tool is literally right here. You see it right there. It's green handlebar. You see it right there. Okay. You go in between here. See right here, the exhaust manifold? It has to go in between here. That 1 inch I was talking about. And watch, I'm going to stick the tool right here. And it goes into, this is actual live. It goes into here. You see the tool right here? You see it? You see the tool? Right here. Right here. See, you had to go in like this, and then like that. And then you go in like that, and you pull it out. You see it? But it literally, you have to turn it in and go like that. That is the key, is this. See it? Like that, like that. Okay? And open and go in and pull out. That is the only way you could do this. Only way to do that. And that will save you a good 2-3 hours, 4 hours, depending on your mechanical skill level. And as you can see, this is the tool I use. Even taking the tool out is a pain in the rear. So I'm going to take the tool out. And again, there's only way you can put this through here. So I show you guys the hard part. Now, the easy part for you guys is to take that needle nose plier out. So, and this is the tool I use to take it out. Okay, voila. Good old cheap Pittsburgh tool. I tell you, I love tools. Even though it's cheap, it performed really, really well. Excuse me, and this has got to be it. And this will save you 4 hours or more in labor. So I really hope this helped out a lot of people. And again, thank you for all the new subscriber. And that's it. And hope we see each other pretty soon on the Tacoma upgrade. And thanks and goodbye.